Here's the dirty little secret. The real estate industry, the banks, the mortgage companies, they've been lying to you about home ownership your entire life, and it's costing you everything. They handed you one path, one single, expensive, suffocating path. Get pre-approved for the biggest mortgage you can qualify for, scrape together a massive down payment, buy a traditional house in the area where you already live, and spend the next 30 years hoping nothing goes wrong. And when that path doesn't work, when the rent keeps climbing and the home prices keep rising and the numbers just refuse to add up no matter how hard you try, they don't offer you another option. They just let you believe the problem is you, but it never was you. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. Every single person at a traditional real estate closing table gets paid. The agent, the bank, the title company, the appraiser, every one of them profits from the most expensive transaction of your life, and none of them have any financial incentive to tell you there's a cheaper way to do this. So they don't. I'm furious about this. And if you've been feeling stuck, exhausted, or ashamed that you can't make the traditional path to homeownership work, you should be furious too. Tawny and I cracked the code, not because we're special, not because we had money, but because we got angry enough to stop listening to the people who profit from keeping us on that one expensive path and started looking for a different path. We landed on 11 acres in the mountains. We put a tiny home on that land for just a $1,000 deposit. No bank, no credit check, no proof of income. A couple of years later, we were living in a 2,400 square foot home for a fraction of what the industry said it would cost. The only people who didn't benefit from how we did it were the ones who profit from the traditional path. And that's exactly the point. You have every right to be angry. The system was designed to extract as much money from you as possible for as long as possible. But anger without action is just pain. So let's do something about it. Click the link, because the best revenge is owning an affordable home without giving the system another dollar more than it deserves.